Step into the shoes of a Charlotte Technical College student and experience a day filled with opportunities, growth, and excitement. Meet Sarah, a driven student navigating her journey through one of our diverse programs. Sarah's passionate about her chosen field and thrives in the dynamic learning environment offered by Charlotte Technical College. With over 20 programs to choose from, students like Sarah have the flexibility to pursue their interests and carve out their unique career paths. Whether it's automotive technology, culinary arts, nursing, or any other program, our students receive top-notch instruction from industry professionals and gain practical skills that prepare them for success in the workforce. But the learning doesn't stop in the classroom. Through internships, externships, and industry partnerships, students like Sarah have the chance to apply their knowledge in real-world settings and build valuable connections in their chosen fields. And let's not forget about the perks of campus life. From delicious meals at Papa G's to pampering sessions at the cosmetology salon, Charlotte Technical College offers a vibrant community where students can learn, grow, and have fun. Join Sarah and countless other students on their journey of discovery at Charlotte Technical College. Your future starts here.